गुड मॉर्निंग बच्चों। आज हम एक्सटेंसिव और इंटेंसिव प्रॉपर्टीज के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। एक्सटेंसिव प्रॉपर्टीज जैसे कि इसका नाम बता रहा है, दे आर दोज प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ द सिस्टम विच डिपेंड ऑन द क्वांटिटी ऑफ मैटर प्रेजेंट इन द सिस्टम और ऑन द साइज ऑफ द सिस्टम, while intensive properties do not depend on the size of the system. Let us take some examples. Here I will write extensive properties and here I will write intensive properties. Okay. Suppose I write mass. This is my extensive property. Volume is an extensive property. Okay. But if I write density, that is mass per unit volume, it is intensive property. Or I write volume per unit mass, that is nothing but specific volume. Specific volume, which is volume per unit mass, that is intensive property. I write say heat capacity. Heat capacity, that is nothing but C equal to Q upon delta T. This is extensive property because it depends on the mass of the system. Okay. But if I write specific heat capacity, that is heat capacity per unit mass, so that will be independent of the size of the system. Or I write say molar heat capacity, that is heat capacity per unit mole, that will be also intensive property. Okay, suppose I write number of moles, that is extensive property. If I write mole fraction, okay, or molarity, they are intensive property. Okay, so if I write say area or force, they are extensive property. But if I write pressure, that is force per unit area, that is intensive property. तो इस तरह से हम कह सकते हैं what are the extensive property and what are the intensive properties. जैसा आप यहाँ देख रहे हैं, intensive property क्या है? It is the ratio of two extensive properties. If I write one extensive property and I divide it by another extensive property, then it will become intensive property. जैसे mass upon volume is density, that is ratio of two extensive properties is a intensive properties. Similarly, specific volume, that is the ratio of two intensive properties. And this mole fraction, this is also the ratio of two extensive properties. Pressure, force per unit area, that is also the ratio of two extensive properties. Okay, so in general, if I write in a different way, or if I can explain it in a different way, suppose I write energy, that is internal energy. Okay, or I write say enthalpy, or I write entropy, and its unit is say kilojoule, and this is say kilojoule, and this is kilojoule per Kelvin. Then they are extensive properties because they depend on the mass of the system or the number of moles of the system. But if I write their units as kilojoule per kilogram or say kilojoule per mole, then they will become intensive properties. Okay, similarly this entropy, if I write kilojoule per mole per Kelvin, then it will be intensive property. Okay, in general we can say that the ratio of two extensive properties is an intensive property. इसको हम ऐसे भी देख सकते हैं. Suppose I have a closed vessel where some gas is filled, okay, at some pressure P, volume V and temperature T. Okay, now suppose I put a partition in this vessel. Do you see that pressure will change here? Pressure will remain P, and here also pressure will be P. Temperature will be T, here also temperature will be T. But what about volume? Volume will be V by 2 here and V by 2 here. So volume will become half by putting a partition in between, midway in between. So we can say that volume is a extensive property while pressure and temperature are intensive properties. Okay, so that is how we can differentiate between the extensive and intensive properties.